Hello students, welcome back to our another new important video. In this video, we will learn very important short answer questions which will come in your economics first year supplementary examinations. In this video, I will be explaining you 25 most important questions. Out of these, 13 to 14 will directly you will see in your question paper. Let's start the video. First question will be price. Price means the amount of money which we paid to buy a good or service. Let's see example. Suppose you went to any kirana store and you buy a pen worth 5 rupees. That 5 rupees will be treated as the price. Next question, wealth. Wealth means all those goods and assets that have value and satisfy human wants. Is called wealth. Wealth means valuable things like building, property, money, all that comes under wealth. Next, superior goods. Superior goods means the goods whose demand increases when income increases. It means whenever the person starts earning more income than the previous income, then the demand for the goods will be increases. The type of goods are called superior goods. Next, demand function. Demand function is a mathematical expression which shows the relationship between price and demand. It also shows the inverse relationship between the price and demand, because as on the demand increases, the price gets decreases. As on the price decreases, the demand gets increases. It shows the inverse relationship. Next, monopoly. Monopoly means it is a market where there is single seller and no competitor. For easy understanding, you can take the example of Indian Railways. As we all know, there is no company which runs or which operates the Indian Railways. Only Government of India itself operating the Indian Railways. So there is no other competitor. Next, depreciation. Depreciation means the decrease in the value of asset over time due to wear and tear. For example, you went to a mobile store to buy a smartphone worth 20,000 rupees. After 6 months of its usage, what will happen? The value of the smartphone gets decreases. So the decreased value is called depreciation. Next question is barter system. Barter system means a system where goods or services exchanged directly without use of money. For example, person A has rice and person B has wheat. Person A need wheat and person B need rice. So what they do? They exchange each other. So that type of system is called barter system where there is no involvement of money. Next, net interest. Net interest means the interest earned by a firm after deducting all the expenses. That type of interest is called net interest. Next, cardinal utility. Cardinal utility means the measurement of satisfaction which is expressed in numerical terms. It means how much you have satisfied that must be explained in terms of number, that is called cardinal utility. Example, out of 100%, how much you get satisfied, either 30% or 40% or 50%. That number which you are expressing, that type of satisfaction is called cardinal utility. Next, utility. Utility means what? The satisfaction which a customer gets from goods and services. It means whenever you buy goods and utilize it, after utilization, whether you will be satisfied or not. That type of satisfaction is called utility. Next, fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit means whenever the government expenditure is more than government revenue, that type of deficit is called fiscal deficit. Suppose a government is earning rupees 20 crore. It means if the government is earning, it will consider as what? Government revenue. It means government revenue is 20 crores and government expenditure is 40 crores. So the difference between the government revenue and government expenditure is how much? 20 crores. So the 20 crores is called fiscal deficit. Okay, I hope you understand. Next question is clearance house. Clearance house means it is an institution that settles interbank payments and adjusts mutual claims between banks. This type of institution is called clearance house. Next one is pie diagram. See, for pie diagram, you just have to create a pie chart, a whole circle, and divide the circle into different parts. But make sure that the percentage which you will be mentioned, that sum of all that value will be 100%. Like see here, I have divided the pie chart into 5 different parts, A, B, C, D, and E. See, 30% plus 5, 35% plus 30, 65% plus 10, 75% plus 25. How much? 100%. So, you also need to be alert that all the values which you will write in your examination must be equal to 100%. Next question is mode. See, what is mode? Mode means the number which repeated most number of times in a given observation. That is called mode. So see here, the observation given is 4, 5, 3, 5, 2. In this observation, the number 5 is repeating 2 times. It means most number of times number 5 is repeating. So what will be our mode? The mode will be 5. Why? Because it is repeating 2 times. Next, microeconomics. Microeconomics means what? It is the economics which deals with the study of individual. It means the economy which focus on the individual person. The type of economics is called microeconomics. And the word micro means what? Small. That's why it is focused on individual person. Next, macroeconomics. It means it is the economics which deals with the study of whole. Instead of focusing a single person, it focuses the whole world, whole nation, whole economy. That type of economy is called macroeconomics. Example includes national income and GDP of country. And the word macro means large. That's why it's focused on whole economy. Next, selling cost. Suppose you have produced a product and you want to sell that product in the market. For that, what you will do? You will do advertising, you will do marketing, you will do promotion. For that, you will spend some amount of money, right? So, the amount of money which you will spend, that will be considered as selling cost. Here, see, the cost incurred on advertising, marketing, and sales promotion. It will be called as selling cost. The next one is GST. GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. When it comes under 101st Constitutional Amendment Act in our Indian Constitution. Next, inflation. What is meant by inflation? Inflation means increase in the general price level of goods and services. It means as on the days passing, price of the goods will be increasing and increasing. That type of process is called inflation. Example, suppose goods price in first week is 100 rupees. See, see in second week it will become 200. As in third week it will increase again to 400 or 500. So that increasing value over a time is called inflation. And if there is a decrease in the general price level of goods, that will be considered as deflation. Next is what is CSO and explain its responsibility. See, CSO means what? Central Statistical Organization. What it do is that it is responsible to collect, compile and analyze the statistical data of the country. This is the work of the Central Statistical Organization. Next, free goods. Free goods means those goods which we get freely from nature and we do not have to pay any kind of prices. That type of goods are called free goods. Example includes air, water, sunlight. This will become under free goods. Next, net banking. Net banking means what? The banking which we can be done through the help of internet. That type of banking is called net banking. Example includes online payments like Paytm, NSDL, PhonePe, all that comes under net banking. Net currency. Currency means what? Money. In simple terms, money. See, the money which is in the form of coins and paper notes, why it is used? It is used for the medium of exchange. That is called currency. Next, budget. What is budget? Budget means income and expenditure for a specific period of time. It shows how much government has to spend, how much government has to earn. The difference between the government expenditure and the government income is itself called budget. Next, last one is indifference map. This indifference map is also called as indifference curve. For this answer, you just have to draw a x-axis and y-axis, and you have to draw these three curves like this. The first one is indifference curve 1, second is indifference curve 2, and third is indifference curve 3. So just you have to draw this and your answer will be over. These are the most important 25 very short answer questions which is repeatedly coming in your examinations. And I hope you understand the video well. And if you understand the video, then do like, share in your college groups and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you again for watching till end.